On display here is Myanmar's MA-4, often referred to as the MK2 variant, a symbol of the country's shift toward locally manufactured small arms, developed from earlier imported designs. The MA-4 focused on three priorities: reliability, simplified production, and modern ergonomics. The polymer furniture, adjustable stock, and lighter frame aim to reduce weight while standing up to heat, dust, and rain. Chambered for standard 5.56-45 ammunition, the rifle reflects an effort to stay compatible with global logistics while moving manufacturing processes inside the country. Seen today in exhibitions and official demonstrations, the MA-4 represents more than a weapon. It marks a chapter in industrial growth, a story of adaptation, engineering, and the push for self-reliance in defense technology. What do you think this mark to MA-4? Leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. It's really helped my YouTube algorithm and my channel.